Hello friends, welcome to Electro. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hi friends, it's a 32-inch Samsung LED TV power supply board. Here, in this power supply board, the complaint is no power issue. Here you can see corrosions in these jumper wires. See friends, due to these types of corrosion related issues, here you can see one of the jumper gets separated from the circuit and it causes sparking in the power supply board. Because of that, you can see the burning marks here. This jumper gets separated from the power supply board due to corrosion. This is the reason for no power issue in this power supply board. So now we need to replace this faulty jumper with a new one. And I will show you the voltage details. You can clearly see the burning marks in there. See friends, finally here we replace the jumper with the new one. So in this condition, now let us turn on the power supply board and check the voltages. See friends, now we turn on the power supply board. Now all voltages are okay, you can see. So now the power supply board is repaired successfully. So hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.